Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money using Facebook ads, and it's not going to be what you're thinking of, all right? Now, if you stick with me to the rest of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I literally sold one product, right? And that one product, I made over $500+ using the exact strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you here in this video. So you definitely want to make sure you stick with me to the end. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so first things first, guys, you know I like to start off with the results. So I'm going to go ahead and show you proof that over $500 was made selling one single product. All right, so here we go, guys. You can see I've pretty much marketed about 47 different products on here, but this particular product called Audience Toolkit, right, as you can see here, it says $572 was made, guys. And keep in mind, I have tons of content on the internet right now that are still promoting this for me at the time that I'm watching this, at the time that you're watching this video right now. So you definitely, guys, you know, once you get your content out there, it's definitely going to be a benefit to you. All right, so we're going to go over here to Facebook, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you step by step through exactly what I did to be able to make that money. All right, guys, so we're going to be using a tool. Now, up here, you can see there's a tool. It looks like a little boat up there. Now, I'm going to first kind of talk you through, you know, basically how this will work, and then I'm going to turn that tool on to show you how you can really turn this thing on. All right, so let's go down the Facebook timeline. So basically, you know, when you're scrolling on Facebook, right, you see regular people's, like you see people's posts, right? You see this people posting all the time. But what happens when you see a sponsored ad? All right, so for example, right here, you see sponsored, right? So this person is paying to get their message out. But here's the good thing about when they're paying to get their message out. That means that it's targeted. See, most people don't understand that. Yes, people say that Facebook is social media. But what people don't really understand is that everything that you do on Facebook gives us that data. We then get to advertise to, as a marketer, we get to advertise to the people who are targeted based on their behaviors. So like when you say that, you know, like let's say for instance, you go and you like the Lakers page, or you go and like you say something about Toronto Raptors, right? Well, Facebook is tracking all of those different things. So if I wanted to target everybody who's on an iPhone right now, I can go inside of my back office on Facebook and target every single person that has an iPhone and they like the Toronto Raptors, and so on and so on, right? So since I understand that as a marketer, this is what I was thinking, right? And I did this for about, anywhere between almost 6 months. I was doing the same exact thing, guys. And I literally said, okay, well, if these people are targeting me, I must fall within that category. So since I fall in that category, I said, okay, now let's look at their ad. Let's see how many people are engaging with their ads. So with this person right here, how would life change if you could enroll 3 new high-ticket clients every day? So I know whoever he's targeting me, obviously, but the other people he's targeting, they're going to be engaging with this post. And another thing that I know about them is that they're business owners, right? Because he says enroll 3 new high-ticket clients every day. So I can then go to this post. There's 53 reactions on it, has 9 comments and 3 shares, right? So these people are business owners, 100%, right? I don't even have to play the guessing game. And then also, if they're commenting, right, they're engaging with this, yeah, you're gonna probably find some people who are just kind of like trolling on the post, but then you're going to have the people who are interested, and those people who are interested, those are potential clients for you. And this is literally how I was literally able to make like 500, as you can see here on the screen, $572. I literally said, okay, let's just act as if I'm someone who doesn't have like a crazy budget, right? And I said, okay, how can I help the new person that's just getting started? How can I help them and not allow them, have them to go and spend a ton of money on paid ads? Well, use the same paid ads that they would be out there, spending their money on, and they wouldn't really have that skill set, and so they would feel a certain way. They would feel like, man, like I feel like I'm wasting my money. Well, with this method, all you're doing is literally, they're doing the targeting for you, right? They do the targeting. All you do is you look at the interactions, then you also look at the comments, and what you do from there is you engage with those people, right? Not, you don't necessarily do it on a post, right? You want to engage by sending those people friend requests, because you know that they're targeted, you know that they're struggling, right? Because if the post is talking about getting more leads, right, then what do you think those people that are commenting on that ad, what do you think that they want, right? If you're someone who's helping people get more leads and exposure, then that just simplifies the process for you. You get those people, you add them to your world, because once they become a friend, your friend on Facebook, they're in your world now. Now you get to do live videos, provide valuable content, and continue to do that consistently. And what happens by default is, you become an authority when you do that. So if you guys know me, I've been doing YouTube videos. I also do Facebook Lives as well, right? I do them all the time. But when I was doing that, and I was doing it every day, people were instantly seeing me as an authority, because first off, they see a bunch of people watching the video. They also see a bunch of people engaging while I'm on there, dropping value. They see the interactions, they see the reactions going up, and they may not necessarily know me, but they're new. And for the first 48 hours, anytime you become someone's friend, Facebook shows your content for the first 48 hours. Okay, so I want you to think about how powerful that is if you're someone who's always putting out valuable content, right? And that's what I was doing. See, I call it ACQC. That's something that I actually created, okay? You're going to attract, and that's where you're sending out doing like an outreach campaign. So you're sending out friend requests. Now, sorry guys, kind of lost my voice there. So yeah, guys, you're basically going to do your outreach campaign, send out friend requests. Now, when you do this, here's the law of averages, guys. If you send out 100 friend requests, at least 20 to 25 of those people are actually going to accept it. And when they do, like I said, Facebook is going to continue to share it for 48 hours, right? The 24 to 48 hour span. Once they see your live show up, oh, they're going to check you out, right? Because they probably haven't seen you in their news feed. And we all know about the whole first impression. If they watch your Facebook Live and they get value from it, they're going to continue to look for you time and time again, guys. And this is what was happening for me. And on top of that, not only do when I wake up in the morning, I do a motivational post or an inspirational post or something that's going to get people fired up. And then guess what? I'm boosting up my edge rank. It's not really called edge rank to this day, but I'm helping my algorithm, right? My algorithm. Then at that point, I come back and I do a Facebook Live. I drop value and I tell people how I can help them. Now, at that point, people see that video, and then I turn around and I go back and I do a watch party in a group full of 300,000 people, and I know that those are business people. So now I'm basically automating that process, right? I've automated it. I can show that video multiple times per day, right? So even if when I went live, there wasn't a lot of people, at the end of the day, I would have ran that at least 3 to 4 times to over 300,000 people. So it's extremely powerful to actually do this. But let me kind of walk you through it, all right? So let's say, for instance, I click on here, okay? Now, I actually use a tool, okay? This tool helps me automate it because as an entrepreneur, you have to save time, okay? We don't have a lot of time to be wasting. So I'm not going to say, okay, this is 53 reactions right here. I'm not going to send out a manual friend request to people. That's going to take too much of my time. So I go over here to my tool. I click on the tool, right? It's a browser extension. I've been using this browser extension for almost a year now. right? And this is a very powerful tool. All right, so from here, I click on add friends. I then do a 20-second delay. I put in a total. How many friends do I want to add? So based on this particular post, it says it has 53 reactions. All right. So if I was trying to send out, let's say I did want to send out 50. I'm not going to send out 50 in this video, for the sake of time. But I will do 2. Okay. I'll do 2 from this post, and I'll go ahead and I'll hit start. All right. So as you can see, it says finding friends. Found all 2 friends. So it's about to start taking it through the process of sending out those friend requests. And I'm just doing this for example purposes because I want you to see pretty much what I did to literally get the results that you see here in this video, over $572. All right, so okay, there we go. So as you can see, it says invites process 1. It's already sent out a friend request. And as you can see, my hands are here. I'm not touching it. It's automated. All right, and it's probably gonna be finished here in just a couple more minutes. I'll give it a few seconds here. All right, so, okay, so as you can see, it says invites process. So now it's just gonna show me, okay, how many were successful. All right, so just a moment here, just give it a few seconds. Invites process 2. All right, so at this point, I can hit the close button, okay? It's done doing what it needs to do. Now, I just sent those requests out. Now I wait, okay? Now, once those people accept the friend request, my job is to make a connection, right? It's not to try to pitch them on my product. It's not to, this is not pitch media. It's social media. So what you want to do is you want to reach out, say a quick hello, kind of touch bases, and find out things about them, okay? All it really is, let's say, for instance, I may say, hey, how's it going? How's your day so far, right? I might just say something like that. I'm not necessarily talking about my business or whatever it is that I'm presenting to them. I'm just saying, hey, how's it going? How's your day so far? Once I do that, what is people's natural response? People usually say, oh, my day is good. How was your day? Right? And that's opening up the conversation. So then I may say, I'm having an amazing day, right? I'm having an amazing day, right? The weather is good, and so on and so on. And then I may say to them, how's the weather where you are, right? See, it's all casual conversation, but what you're really doing is you're asking, you're trying to figure out about them, but you're also asking qualifying questions, because your job is to find out what it is that they're struggling with. And then once you see what they're struggling with, your job is to then help them get to a solution, right? And usually your product is going to be that solution. So hopefully that part right there makes sense. Now, that's the connecting, okay? And I kind of put those two together, the C and the Q, because that's really what it is. You connect and you ask qualifying questions. And then after that, there's the conversion. After you've built that connection, you might not have sold them, but the more and more you show up on Facebook Lives, you inspire them with a Facebook post, or maybe they see that you have a YouTube channel like I have, right? And then they go over to the YouTube channel, they start watching multiple videos. They're going to, like, that connection is it's going to become a whole lot stronger than if you're just somebody who just goes in their inbox and you say, hey, this is what I got, and there it is, right? You're going to push people back. It's like for example, if you go into like a store, right? When you walk in and somebody asks, oh, how can I help you? What do we do instantly? We push them away, right? We say, oh, no, we're good. We're just looking, right? So think of it like that as well. When you try to just go and randomly message somebody, and then you start talking straight about your business, think of that same pushback as if you're walking into, like, I don't know, the auto store or any store, really. As soon as you walk in and somebody already talking to you, it's instant pushback, okay? So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful. And if you want to learn exactly what I'm doing online to make consistent income, go ahead and find the first link in the description. Once you click the link, it'll take you over to you so you can check out anything that I'm doing online. And with that being said, my phone number is down below. My Facebook is down below. Go ahead and add me if you have any questions. I'm here for you. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.